How lovely are these flowers? Can you believe? These flowers can be made very easily with simple materials available at home. Hello friends, welcome to Vijaya's Articraft. In this video, we will see how to make these beautiful wax flowers. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications. For this DIY, you will need some plain candles and a small dry tree branch or a twig. We will use wax crayons to make colorful flowers. Now cut these candles into smaller pieces so that they can melt easily. You can also use wax chips if you have them. Now we will make wax liquid by melting these candle pieces using double boiler method. You should take a bowl of water and boil them and place this candle bowl in that boiling water. Add the crayon to the candle pieces and stir them continuously till the wax melts. The wax liquid is ready. Now take a bowl of cold water. To make the flowers, use your 4 fingers like this and dip them in cold water for some time. Now dip your fingers in the wax liquid, take out and slightly press on the twig. Now carefully remove your fingers slowly without breaking the flower. Repeat the same process for other branches also. But be cautious with the hot wax. Don't forget to first insert your fingers in the cold water and then dip them in the wax. If you feel the wax is getting hard, again melt the wax. We have seen how to make big flowers using 4 fingers. Now we will see how to make small flowers with 2 fingers. Make thumb and index finger like this. Place them in cold water and now dip them in the hot wax and press them slightly to the branch. Now complete this branch with all these flowers. Isn't it so easy to make these flowers? The best part is you can make multiple flowers with different colors of your choice. I have made 2 sets of flowers with yellow and purple, and this is how they look once they are done. It is easy to make, simple and beautiful. Now you can style these flowers in multiple ways. Put them in a vase and they look so beautiful. Let me know how you like these wax flowers and share your views in the comment section. Do like the video and share it with your friends. And please do subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications.